I'm 680 News Senior Business Editor Mike Eppel. Two more Canadian cannabis companies are heading to Wall Street. Aurora Cannabis of Edmonton announced today that its stock will begin trading on the New York Stock Exchange next Tuesday. It's going to be under the ticker symbol ACB, same as it is on the TSX. Aurora recently made headlines on speculation that Coca-Cola was looking at perhaps doing a deal regarding cannabis-infused drinks. It was never confirmed, but stock soared regardless, and it was up today on the word that the company will see a dual listing, as several other Canadian firms have already had that on Wall Street with Canopy Growth, Cronus Group, Tilray, and others. The other Canadian company to head that way as well will be Aphria out of Leamington. It filed the paperwork today with the New York Stock Exchange, also for a stock listing, which will probably happen sometime next month. Now, it is the cannabis real estate gold rush. Altus Group saying that the amount of demand for commercial real estate for grow ops to grow cannabis has surged six-fold since the beginning of the year. There's already 8.5 million square feet of production space being used, with another 6.5 million in the planning stages by Canada's publicly listed marijuana companies. Now, to put this into perspective, the space already being used is about the size of Amazon's headquarters in Seattle. But the surging demand in the early stages of legalized cannabis sales leading to more demand for grow-op situations. We've also seen the price for oil continue to drop, at least for Canadian producers. The Canadian price for oil today was in and around $22 a barrel, about $50 below that of the U.S. benchmark. And the calculation is that because of that huge discount, Canadian oil producers are losing about $100 million a day in revenue because they can't get their product to market, and what they do get there gets sold at a much reduced price tag. Now, the price for gas is coming down overnight by 2 cents per liter, just shy of $1.23, according to the Enpro forecast, and might fall further into the weekend. From the 680 newsroom, I'm Mike Eppel for City News.